Let's check 11th question. Here given to us is an AP और इस AP में हमें वो टर्म फाइंड करनी है जो 54th टर्म से 132 ज़्यादा है. तो यहाँ सॉल्यूशन में हम सबसे पहले 54th टर्म फाइंड करेंगे and then we'll find that term which is 132 more. So let's start with what is given to us. Given to us is this AP, and in solution we'll start by assuming that A is the first term which is given as 3, D is the common difference which is 15 minus 3 or 12, and T54 is your 54th term. So here we'll use the formula of nth term, that is Tn is A plus n minus 1D. Here putting the values of n as 54, A is 3 and D is 12. So simplifying it, we'll get our 54th term as 639. Now let's assume that nth term is 132 more than 54th term. So that means Tn is T54 plus 132, but T54 is 639. So Tn is 639 plus 132, that is 771. Now again using this nth term formula, so we'll get your A plus n minus 1D, that is nth term, and that we have calculated as 771. Putting the values here, A is 3 and D is 12. Now solving it, this 3 will go on the other side, so n minus 1 times 12 is 768. Now this 12 is multiplying in LHS, so it will divide in RHS, and this negative 1 will go on the other side. We'll get n as 65, and that means that the 65th term is 132 more than 54th term, and that's our answer.